Okay, after taking it to my family, most of them were able to figure this out. Fold, fold, fold. So basically, if you fold this right, they'll be able to do it right. But my brother, he was like, okay, I'm done. And I'm like, no, no, no. You have to fold it again. And then again. And then again. So his comment was that, well, most people will probably figure this out. Some of them will probably have to be told. In addition, my mom, when I first figured this out, I had done just a half folded this over and half folded this over instead of, so just like it ends up like this instead of the entire thing. Okay, and when you do that, when you only half fold it, so you just fold over the flap, so it ends up looking like this instead of like this when you fold it over. When you just ended up like this, then you can't open this. I mean, you end up with a mess when you do. And that's what my mom ended up doing, because I ended up having these extra folds. She's like, oh, okay, so to open this, I just need to fold over the one flap. Okay, why won't it open now? And I had to go back and say, okay, no, you need to fold the entire thing over. And then the entire thing over. Because if you just fold over that one half flap right there, yeah, you end up with a mess. In addition, there's going to be these blank parts that you'll want to stick down, unless you want your family peeking at these. It's not exactly sealing 100% in every spot, so you could just do a little tack here, 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 and here, and you probably would be fine. The honest truth is, as fun as this is, okay, there we go. I was like, where's the ones that are actually supposed to be there? As fun as this is, this is how many cards I had to go through before I finally figured it out. And I watched Anna's video each time with her Tutorial Tuesday and the die. And I still ended up with garbage. I shouldn't have to go through. These cards, in my opinion, are counterintuitive. They're not intuitive at all. I mean, it took me $8 worth of cards to figure out this one. And I'm just not sure it's worth the hassle. If you think it is, keep the kit. I'm sending mine back. It's the whole reason I didn't open the die, was because I wasn't sure if I was going to even want to keep this with all the bad reviews I've seen. I'm sending it back, but if you think this is cool and you think that your family can handle this, then go for it. I personally did not enjoy wasting 4 cards, and I won't always be there to show them how to use this card. And all of the other kits that I've purchased from Anna Griffin, first time I assembled them, perfect. Didn't need any kind of assistance. I didn't need to go to any videos of hers. At least I don't remember having to do that. I think I was able to just, straight from the HSN video, I was able to assemble these no problem at all. I'll let you know if I find one like that. I haven't tried the swivel and pop one yet. But this one is not intuitive, in my opinion. Even with the instructions, because they're not as clear as they could be.